There are two steps involved in getting the water depths off the water sensors. Firstly, you need to download the data from the water sensor to the transfer shuttle in the field. And secondly, you need to transfer the downloaded data from the transfer shuttle to a computer. Remove the water sensor from the control structure. Unscrew the sensor cap and connect the sensor to the transfer shuttle. Just like during the launching process, make sure the small notch on the sensor is aligned with the shuttle. Press the lever on the transfer shuttle and look for the yellow light to start blinking. This blinking yellow light means data is being downloaded to the transfer shuttle. The light will change to green if the download was successful. If the light goes from yellow to red, detach the sensor from the transfer shuttle and restart the process. Transferring the data from the transfer shuttle to the computer can be done in the office or in the field with a laptop. When you're ready to transfer the data from the transfer shuttle to the computer, unscrew the cap on the transfer shuttle. Connect the USB cable to the computer and to the end of the shuttle, and open the HoboWare program. Select the Device drop-down menu and click on Readout. Choose the folder where you'd like to save the water depth sensor data, and make sure to select Check All to download all the files that are on the transfer shuttle. Press Save Checked. Once the files have been saved, the check marks on the left will disappear and the status will change to Offloaded. You now need to relaunch the transfer shuttle by clicking Launch Shuttle at the bottom right. By default, the software issues a warning indicating all files will be deleted from the shuttle when the shuttle is relaunched. Verify you have your files saved on your computer and then click Yes. Disconnect the transfer shuttle once relaunched. While the water depth sensors give relatively high frequency water level data, for example, recording a water level every 15 minutes, we also suggest manually measuring the water depths in the control structures every time you're on site. These manual measurements provide a true, physically observed value by a real human being in case something goes wrong with your water depth sensors. There are two ways to collect these manual water depth measurements. The simplest way that our team does this is to apply a paste called Color Cut to a PVC pipe. Extend that to the bottom of the control structure and pull it up. Make sure the PVC pipe is straight up and down and not tilted in any direction. The water in the control structure changes the color of the paste, and you can write down, usually to the nearest eighth of an inch, the observed water depth. Make sure to record the time and date of your measurement in the field log book. The second way to do this is to use a water level tape. This equipment beeps when the tip of the measuring tape touches the water. You can reel the tip of the tape down to the water surface, wait for the beep, and record that distance. You then subtract that distance from the height of the control structure to know the depth of water.